Hello YouTube, this is the Florida Rider, out and about on an awesome sunny, I guess it's spring day. Let's see, May, yep, that's still spring. So on this awesomely sunny spring day. I don't know what that is. Yesterday was a bit cold here in Florida. I mean, our high was only like 74 or so. And for a low, we went all the way down into the 60s, and those two temperatures are basically unheard of at this time of the year, because it should be to the high 80s during the day and around, well, my house usually gets down to about 78 to 80 at night. So it was a cold one yesterday, people. It was a cold one. Right now I'm heading into Tampa. Well, Florida Rider, you might be asking yourself, don't you live in Tampa? Well, no, I don't. I live near Tampa. I live out at the beach. So yes, I'm heading into Tampa because about a half an hour ago I found out that my utilities company has a customer appreciation night at Steinbrenner Field in Tampa. So I'm going because apparently you get in free if you show your electricity bill. Which is a bit weird because I get my utility bill online as part of their green campaign, but to go to their event I have to go ahead and print it out anyway, so go figure. Regardless, I'm going. It should take me about 30 minutes to get there, so I'll be a bit late, but considering I found out about it when I had just gotten home from the beach and had to change and have a shower and grab my bike stuff and everything, I think I'm still making good time. Gas would be good, but luckily I get 70 miles per gallon, so I'll be able to make it there and back without. Yay! I haven't got a clue as to where I'm going, so I'll be just a minute, people. Talk amongst yourselves. In the stadium area of Tampa. We've just gone by the Buck Stadium, I believe, called the Raymond James Stadium, also known as the Ray J. And we're making a U-turn just at the entrance to George M. Steinbrenner Field, which is the minor league team home stadium, the Tampa Yankees. Competing against, basically I root against any team that has the word Yankees in it, so yay! Go on Palm Beach, whatever you are! As long as you're not the Palm Beach Yankees. This is where the New York Yankees have their I've never actually been to the stadium before. But it's free, so why not? Thanks. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good.